Hello everyone, it's lesson number 93. And let's start. Quickly repeat our words. 相对 relative or opposite. 类型 relative. 类型 type or kind of something. 称 to weigh. 可靠 reliable. 纳入 to include, to incorporate into. 分析 to analyze. 志愿者 volunteer. 跟踪 to track, to follow secretly. 跟踪成果 achievement gain 成果清晰 distinct and distinct 清晰 and 气 namely 气 but not namely, remember, just show two action at the same time. Both my friend and also my colleague. Something 气 work together with 也是. And first of all, today it's 升 to ascend. Ascend, ascend. Let's see. The sun rise, just rise. The same meaning of ascend. Rise, ascending, increase, promotion. So this sheng has a lot of meanings. One of the meaning is also liter of milk, for example. But let's see. The sun rise from the east, illuminating the entire land. 太阳从东方升起。So the 太阳 sun from east 从东方升起 to rise 升 to ascend and 起 also show towards up 照亮了照亮 to illuminating 整个大地 the whole land 大地地 it's like land 大 big land 大地 ground landscape large land owner 大森林 So 太阳从东方升起，照亮了整个大地。The company decided to promote him to department manager. 公司决定 decided 升 promote 升 here is to promote 升他为 S 部门经理部门department 经理 manager。公司决定升他为部门经理 manager。Next one, 达到 to achieve, to reach some goal. You remember 到达 it's to achieve some destination when we switch this, but 达到 is to some goals. After hard work, he finally reached his goal. 经过努力 after hard work, 他终于 finally 达到了 achieved 自己的目标 his own dream, his own goal 自己的目标经过努力他终于达到了自己的目标Our sales this time have reached the expected level. 我们这次的销售额 this one is a bit hard. It's like amount of something. Volume 销售 to sales. So sales volume, sales, selling, marketing, distribution, revenue, sale. 销售额已经达到了 already reached. 预期的水平 the level of already it's to do something before. 期 it's time. So 预期 expected. That you already saw before, you can say, or decided to see before. Focused, prospect. 我们努力了，但是没有达到预期的结果 expected result。预期的结果，我们这次的销售额已经达到了预期的水平 expected level anticipate predictable level. Next one 意外 unexpected accident 意外 why it's out is maybe you can say like think so the more than you think you didn't think about EY. His sudden appearance made me feel very surprised. 他的突然 suddenly 突然 sudden 出现 appearance 出现 emerge appearance 突然出现让我 made me 感到 made me feel right made me feel 让我感到很意外 very surprised。它的突然出现让我感到很意外。As you can see, could be adverb, could be a noun, also could be adjective. Here is unexpected and very surprised. You must pay, but I think for surprise maybe better to use 惊讶. This one 惊讶奇怪惊怪惊奇大吃一惊 So as you can see EY it's not usually surprised. Okay, you must pay attention to safety when climbing to prevent accident. 登山时 to climb mountains 登山时 when you climb mountains 一定要注意安全 You definitely need to watch out or to pay attention to safety. 一定要注意安全防止 and to prevent 发生意外 prevent accident or happens of accident you can say accidental 意外 here's 发生 as happen occur some accident 防止 to prevent 防止登山时一定要注意安全防止发生意外防止 prevent Next one 存在 to exist 存在 I believe that many beautiful things exist in the world 我相信 I believe 世界上 in the world 存在 exist 存在着很多美好的事物 a lot of good things beautiful things 美好的事物 So 我相信世界上存在着很多美好的事物 This problem has existed for a long time and must be solved as soon as possible. 这个问题已经存在了 already exist 很长时间 for a long time 很长时间必须 and must 尽快 as soon as possible 尽快解决 to solve must be solved 必须尽快解决 So 这个问题已经存在了很长时间必须尽快解决对 Next one 明显 clear or obvious so it could be adjective could be no-brainer distinct so even adverb also could be let's say his progress is very obvious and both teachers and classmates have noticed it 他的进步非常明显 so his progress 非常 is very obvious 非常明显老师和同学们teacher and his classmates 都注意到了 all noticed all have noticed it so here 明显 is adjective 他的进步非常明显老师和同学们都注意到了 all noticed The difference between these two plans is obvious and easy to distinguish 这两种方案的差异 So these two types of plan, or you can say two plans, 两种方案的差异 difference very disparate 差异很明显 is very obvious 很容易区分 and it's very easily to distinguish 区分 Whereas distinguish different. So we have a lot of words to show distinguish. 区分、区别、分别. But usually we use, I think we usually use 分别, but this one. But 区分 is also good. 这两种方案的差异很明显，很容易区分。Next one, 补偿 to make up for. 补偿 compensation, compensate, reimburse, make up. Let's see. The company provided him with generous compensation package. 公司为他提供了 so company for him provided 提供了一笔丰厚的补偿金。丰厚 very generous, very rich, big. 补偿 compensation 金 money 补偿金 compensation package or compensation sometimes payment also could be. 补偿金 because 补 is to compensate also. Fill, replenish, 金 cover payback. Okay. 公司为他提供了一笔 be major word I think for this one. 一笔丰厚的补偿金。Also, there was a problem. We will definitely find a way to compensate the customer for the loss. 尽管 even if or also 出了问题 there was a problem or you can say some was out of question went wrong you can say 出了问题。但我们一定会 but we will definitely will 想办法 think about a way 想办法find a way 补偿客户的损失 compensate client loss 补偿客户的损失尽管出了问题但我们一定会想办法补偿客户的损失 Next one, 离奇 immediately at once 离奇 Hearing the news, he immediately rushed to the scene 听到这个消息 So when he heard, you can say 听到这个消息 this news, this information, sometimes message also could be 他立即 immediately you can say 马上 but 立即 is usually used in the past simple, in the past tense 他立即赶往了现场 is a scene 赶 to rush 往 towards you can say 赶往了 make tracks for something rush towards something to some place 他一下飞机就 immediately 下飞机就往医院 so rushed towards hospital 赶往医院听到这个消息他立即赶往了现场Please send this document to me immediately 请您立即 immediately 将有点马上立即将 you can say将 take or 把这份文件将这份文件发给我 and send towards me 发给我请您立即将这份文件发给我 Next one 趋势 tendency 趋势 or trending tide trend pattern direction momentum listen With the development of technology, online shopping has become a trend. 随着 along with something always 随着科技发展科学技术 it's from you can say technology or technology and science sci-tech sky-tech sci-tech 科技发展线上购物线上 online shopping 线上购物已经成为了 already become 一种趋势 a trend 趋势。随着科技发展，线上购物已经成为了一种趋势 become a trend. We need to closely follow market trends in order to make correct decisions. 我们需要 we need 密切 very closely 关注 follow 密切关注市场趋势markets trend 市场趋势对 market trends 以便 in order to 以便 for that in order to 做出正确的决策 to make correct 做出 to make 正确 correct 决策decisions 决策 interesting 决定but it's not just decision, it's strategic decision, very long term decision making, policy making, something very big, long time 决策 because 策 it's from 政策的策 where 市场决策策略 strategy this one 政策 policy 政策 government plans you can say 政策我们需要密切 very closely 密切 has a lot of meanings closely intense strong but 密切关注市场趋势以便做出正确的决策 Next one 差异 difference 差异 There are obvious difference between these two plans 这两个方案这两个方案之间 so the difference between these two plans 两个方案之间存在 exist 存在着明显的差异 there is exist obvious difference 明显的差异这两个方案之间存在着明显的差异People from different cultural backgrounds may also have differences in their thinking. 不同文化背景的人不同文化 different cultures 背景不是背景 is a background of people 背景的人people with different backgrounds 在思想上 in their thinking 思想上也会存在差异 also exist differences 存在差异思想 ideology philosophy idea 不同文化背景的人在思想上也会存在差异Next one 联合 to ally to unite or combine 联合 For example 联合国 is Yuan United Country allied countries 联合 These two countries decided to unite against a common enemy 这两个国家 so these two countries 决定 decided 联合起来 to unite 这个联合起来 is just also maybe to start some action 联合起来对抗 to against you can say against or to fight against to find for combat 对抗共同的敌人 it's enemy 共同 common enemy 共同的敌人 So 这两个国家决定联合起来对抗共同的敌人 （common enemy）。共同的敌人，对。And last one, this is a new enterprise founded jointly by three companies. 这是一家由 from 三家公司联合 from three countries united. So this 由 from work together with 联合创办的新企业new enterprise and 创办 to establish to create found to start some business by three companies. 由什么联合？这是一家由三家公司联合创办的新企业。So this 家 major word for 企业，新企业 new business, and then describe which new business that started from united of three companies. 这是一家由三家公司联合创办的新企业。Let's repeat what we learned today. 升 to ascend, to rise, promotion 升 also little if you talk about drinks. 达到 to achieve, to reach some goals. 意外 unexpected, accident. Surprised but feel surprised 感到很意外。I'm surprised. Could be. 存在 to exist. 明显 clear, obvious. Also could be clearly, obviously. 补偿 to make up, to compensate. 补偿立即 immediately at once. 趋势 tendency, tend. 趋势差异 difference. 联合 to ally, to unite. 联合个别不是这个个别 next one. And let's learn one new idiom for today. Last time we learned 纷至沓来，风言风语 groundless humor. To take on an entirely new look. 焕然一新。焕然一新。焕然 is like perfect. Let's see. This idiom describes a transformation where something old or worn out becomes completely new and fresh in appearance. 焕 bright, glowing. 让 like this, 一 one 新 new. 焕然一新. But I think 焕然 is a one word. Just show very very beautiful, bright. After redecorating, this old room has taken an entirely new look. 经过重新装修 decoration or renovation. 重新 completely new. 重新 again, over again. 经过重新装修，这个旧房间 this old room 焕然一新 completely new. 经过重新装修，这个旧房间焕然一新。焕然一新 take on an entirely new look. 对，焕然一新。And see you in the next one.